Devasis. हमारा एटा स्टार्ट होना वर्किंग विथ पैकेज.
Sir, start with.
After completing this session, you should be able to do the following: overload package procedure and functions, use forward declaration, create an initialization block in a package body, manage precedent package data state for the life of a, use associative arrays, index by tables, and record in packages. In this lesson, introduce the more advanced features of PLSQL, including overloading, forward, referencing, one-time only procedure, and the persistency of variable, constants, expression, and cursor. It also explains the effect of packaging functions that are used in SQL statement. Overloading package subprogram using forward declaration and creating an initialization block in a package body. Overloading subprogram in PLSQL enable you to create two or more subprogram with the same name. Requires that the subprogram formal parameter differ in the number, order, and data type family. Enable you to build flexible ways for invoking subprogram with different data. Provide a way to extend functionality without loss of existing code, that is adding new parameter to existing subprogram. Provides a way to overload local subprogram, package subprogram, and type method, but not standalone subprogram, right? The overloading features in PLSQL enable you to develop two or more package subprogram with the same name, right? Overloading package माने कौन धर गोटे कोड लिखला आसिक आमु जतरा लंबा चौड़ा कोड लिखिबा को पड़े सेथिरे पैकेज नेम तमरो यूनिक थिबा दरकार, राइट? पैकेज नेम को हमको यूनिक करिया पड़ो. धर तुमको कहला गोटे प्रोजेक्ट हमु डेवलप करिया पई तार पैकेज धर मोर 10 टा पैकेज मते डिक्लेयर करिवार अछि. तो 10 टा पैकेज पई 10 टा न्यू नेम मते डिक्लेयर करिवार अछि. तो ओवरलोडिंग फंक्शनलिटी कहूची जे तुमको 10 टा न्यू नेम यूनिक न्यू नेम तुमको बाछिबा दरकार नै. सेम गोटे पैकेज ना टाकू तमे 10 टाइम्स तमे यूज करो. से जो यूजेस टा हबो तार नंबर्स ऑफ पैरामीटर तार नंबर्स ऑफ वेरिएबल ताकू डिफर करो. देन से जो कांसेप्ट ऑफ क्वा जाय मोर ओवरलोडिंग, राइट? सेति पई से कहला एठी जे the overloading features in PLSQL enables to develop two or more package subprogram with the same name. Package ro same name. Overloading is useful when you want a subprogram to accept similar set of parameters that are different data types. For example, toChar function has more than one way to be called, enabling you to convert a number of data to a character string. PLSQL allows overloading of package subprogram name and object type methods. The key rule is that you can use the same name for different subprogram as long as their formal parameter differ in number, order, or data types of family, right? That is called a signature parameter, right? Signature parameter मोर तीन प्रकार अछि. गोटे होछि नंबर्स ऑफ पैरामीटर, गोटे होछि टाइप्स ऑफ पैरामीटर, आ गोटे होछि मोर सीक्वेंस ऑफ पैरामीटर, और तमे ता कहि परिबो order of parameter. बुझला? Consider using overloading when processing rule for two or more program are similar. Type or number of parameter used varies. Providing alternative ways for finding different data with varying such criteria. For example, you may want to find employees by their employee ID and also provide a way to find employee by their last name. The logic is interestingly the same, but the parameter or search criteria different. Extending functionality when you do not want to replace existing code. Note that standalone subprogram cannot be overloaded. Writing local subprogram in object type method is not discussed in this course. Overloading subprogram restriction, you cannot overload two subprogram if their formal parameter differ only in data type and different data types are the same family. Number or decimal belongs to the family. Two subprogram if their formal parameter differ only in subtype and the different subtype are based on type of the same family. Varchar and string are PLSQL subtype of Varchar2, right? Two functions that differ only in return type, even if the type are different families. You get a runtime error when you overload subprogram with the preceding features. Note that the preceding restriction apply if the name of parameter are also the same name. If you use a different name for the parameters, you can invoke subprogram by using named notation for the parameters. Resolving calls, the compiler tries to find a declaration that matches the call. It searches fast in the current scope and then if necessary in successive enclosing scope. The compiler stops searching for if it is find one or more subprogram declaration in which the name matches the name of the called subprogram. For similarly name subprogram at the same level of scope, the compiler needs an exact match in number, order, and data type between the actual and formal parameter, right? So overloading procedure example, creating the package specification, create or replace package name dala, procedure name, p underscore department number, department's table, dot department ID, personnel type, p name be declare kala, tara pass kala unknown, then p location tara pass kala 1700, right? Procedure name, same name pass kala, p r parameter re p underscore name departments dot department underscore name type equal to unknown, location dela मोर 1700 एठी मोर तीनटा parameter pass कराई राइट ए प्रोग्राम रे सब प्रोग्राम रे तीनटा parameter pass कराई बट एठी ए से सेम ना रे सेम सब प्रोग्राम ना रे दीटा parameter pass कराई तो एटा मोर ओवरलोड हे गेला कारण जेतल मु दीटा वैल्यू पास करबी से एटा ए सब प्रोग्राम टा कॉल करिवो जेतल मु तीनटा वैल्यू पास करबी से ए सब प्रोग्राम टा कॉल करिवो बुझला आखो को एज ए सिग्नेचर पैरामीटर बुझला तो एथि पई तमरो से पैकेज ओवरलोडिंग हुए तमरो overloading example, the slide shows the department package specification with an overload procedure called add underscore department. The first declaration takes 3 parameters and that are used to provide data for new department record inserted into the department table. The second declaration takes only 2 parameters because this version internally generates the department ID through an Oracle sequence. It is better to specify data types using the percentile type attribute for variable and that are used to populate column in database table. As soon in the example in the slide, however, you can also specify the data types as follows. That is package, then see dala si tara yeta dala syntax dala. Bujhala? Overloading procedure example, creating the package body re tame procedure example tame nei paribo, create or replace package name, then body start kala, then ta bhitare se parameter pass kala, tar value pass kala, insert statement re puni au gote procedure sub program declare kala, tar parameter declare kala, then tar bhitare value pass kala. एठी कोन आ पूर्व स्लाइड रे कोन वैल्यू टा से दे दी थिला राइट एठी तुमको वैल्यू टा को इंसर्ट कर पड़ खाली एति की तार डिफरेंस और तार बॉडी जो स्टार्ट करछि से बॉडी पई डिफरेंस है माने पैकेज रो बॉडी स्टार्ट करछि पैकेज रो बॉडी भीतर से दीटा को सब प्रोग्राम कर लिखिछि बुझला if you call add underscore department with an explicitly provided department ID, then PLSQL use the first version of the procedure. Consider the following example: execute department underscore package dot add underscore department value dela taro select ASCII from department where in department ID equal to 980 jar 980 thibo taro department table lo सब column तुमको show करी If you call add underscore department with no department ID, PLSQL use the second version. प्रथमटा तीन टा पैरामीटर थिला, राइट? डिपार्टमेंट आईडी थिला, जदि तमे डिपार्टमेंट आईडी थ्रू टू कॉल करिवो तो फास्ट सब प्रोग्राम टाकू से एग्जीक्यूट करिवो. विदाउट डिपार्टमेंट आईडी टाकू तमे कॉल करिवो ताले तमको सेकंड सब प्रोग्राम टाकू से कॉल करिवो. बुझला? Overloading and the standard package. A package named standard defines the PLSQL environment and built-in function. Most built-in functions are overloaded. An example is the toChar function. Function toChar, then function name dala, then tar return dala. Types more declare करची. A PLSQL with the same name as a built-in subprogram override the standard declaration in the local context unless qualified by the package name. A package name standard defines the PLSQL environment and globally declared types, exception, and subprogram that are available automatically to PLSQL subprogram. Most of the built-in functions that are found in the standard package are overloaded. For example, the toChar function has 4 different declarations as shown in the slide. The toChar function can take either the date and or the number data type and convert it to the character data type. The format to which the date or number has to be converted can also be specified in the function call. If you redeclare a built-in subprogram in another PLSQL program, then your local declaration override the standard or built-in subprogram. To be able to access the built-in subprogram, you must qualify with its package name. For example, if you are redeclare the toChar function to access the built-in function, you refer to a standard .toChar. If you redeclare a built-in subprogram as a standard standalone subprogram, then to access your subprogram, you must qualify it with your schema name. For example, Scott.toChar. In the example in the slide, PLSQL resolve a call to toChar by matching the number and the data type of the formal and actual parameters. Illegal procedure performance. Block structure language such as PLSQL must declare identify before referencing them. For example of referencing problem, create or replace package body for the package nadala is procedure award bonus ta bhitar jaha bhi code dala. Begin calculate rating dala, illegal reference eta moro end kala, then procedure moro tar procedure kala, right? Tasi deichi kon ta meaning kona using forward declaration. In general, PLSQL is like other block structure language and does not allow forward reference. You must declare an identifier before using it. For example, a subprogram must be declared before you can call it, right? Subprogram को जेता कॉल करा जिवो ता पूर्व ताको डिक्लेयर कर दबार अछि. जे डिक्लेयर न करे कि तुम जदि कॉल करछ ताले एरर थ्रो कर. Coding standard often request that the subprogram be kept in alphabetic sequence to make them easy to find. In this case, you may encounter problem as shown in the slide where the calculate rating procedure cannot be referenced because it has not yet been declared. You can solve the illegal reference problem by reserving the order of the two subprogram. However, this easy solution does not work with the coding rule requires subprogram to be declared in alphabetical order. The solution in this case is to use forward declaration provided in PLSQL. A forward declaration enables you to declare the heading of a subprogram, that is the subprogram specification terminate by a semicolon. Semicolon ta must have. Note that the compilation error for calculate rating occurs only if calculate underscore rating is a private package procedure. If calculate underscore rating is declared in the package specification, it is already declared as if it is a forward declaration, and its reference can be resolved by the compiler. using the forward declaration to solve illegal procedure reference. In the package body, a forward declaration is a private subprogram specification terminated by a semicolon. देखो तुमको सेमिकोलन रो थ्रू रू तुमको प्राइवेट टीएटा को स्पेसिफाई करिवार अछि एंड करिवार अछि बुझला सेमिकोलन जदि न दबो ताले तुमको एरर शो करे बुझला A previously mentioned PLS will enable you to create a special subprogram declaration called a forward declaration. A forward declaration may be required for private subprogram in the package body and consist of the subprogram specification terminated by the semicolon. Forward declaration help to define subprogram in logical or alphabetical order, define mutual recursive subprogram. Mutually recursive program are programs that call each other directly or indirectly, group and logically organize subprogram in a package body. When creating a forward declaration, the formal parameter must appear if in both the forward declaration and the subprogram body. The subprogram body can appear anywhere after the forward declaration, but both must appear in the same program unit, right? Forward declaration and package, typically the subprogram specification go in the package specification and the subprogram bodies go in the package body. The public subprogram declaration in the package specification do not require forward declaration. Initializing package, the block at the end of the package body execute once and is used to initialize public and private package variables. It is create or replace package name is tar variable pass kala, then tar query ta pass kala. It is the kondala select rate values into v underscore tax from tax rate, right? Where tax rate name equal to tax. The first time a component in a package is referenced, the entire package is loaded into memory for the user session. By default, the initial values of variable is null. If not explicitly initialized, to initialize package variables, you can use assignment operation in their declaration. For example, for simple initialization tags and code block at the end of a package body. For more complex initialization tags, consider the block of the code at the end of a package body as a package initialization block that execute once when the package is first invoked within the user session. The example in the slide shows versus v underscore tax public variable being initialized to the value in the tax underscore rates table the first time the tax package is referenced. Note that if you initialize the variable in the declaration by using the assignment by using an assignment operation, it is overwritten by the code in the initialization block at the end of the package body. The initialization block is terminated by the end keyword for the package body, right? Use package function in SQL.